Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion is Adri here, aka Matilda, and today I'm attempting to do this wig for the third time. I've been trying to put this wig on. I'm going to show you a bit of clips of how it was when I got it. So standard packaging was this. It has a wig cap. I'd already opened this, but it did come with a hole. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Beauty Cosmetics, you need to work on that. But other than that, everything was fine. Nothing was damaged, thank God. So I'm not going to use a wig cap here, provided, because I do have a wig cap. My hair is just so crusty. I don't want to show you guys. That's why I'm wearing a bonnet. Oh my goodness, it feels so soft. So this is a synthetic wig. It's in a pinkish color, like a very pale pink in my opinion, and it has dark roots, which is what I wanted because I feel like it would make the color more flattering to me and my skin tone. And it has, ooh, nice. So it's a synthetic lace front wig. It has 3 combs, 2 at the side and 1 in the middle. That is a lot of security with that wig. And it also has 2 adjustable straps at the back, which will make the wig pretty secure. All that will make, oh my god, look at that color. So let me just cut the lace and then we'll see how to proceed from there. And basically make it look nice, hopefully slayed, and then we can move on with our day. So if you want to watch that, please keep watching, obviously. So I'm gonna take the star of the day. Hopefully this saves my process and makes it much easier. This is the Got to Be Glued, and I got this from Blush Hair and Beauty. I think I'm going to link them down below so that you can get yours as well in case you're interested in purchasing. So hopefully this is the miracle we need to get this wig slayed and laid and honey, get them girls talking, you know what I mean, and them boys looking. I'm joking. And basically just apply that around my edges. I'll try not to touch my edges because taking that off, I did try this before. Again, this is my second attempt today. That took a bit of ripping. I'm kind of scared I lost some of my edges. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some around my edges. So I'm gonna let this sit and dry for a hot minute because I want it tacky. So I'm just trying to prep my head for the wig. Get it in the middle. Now I'm gonna push all the freaking hairs to the back because I don't want them getting on my lace, on my glue, sorry. So I'm just gonna do my best to try take that to the back, you know what I mean? I don't know why I just did my voice like that, forgive me. I'm weird. So now I'm gonna try bring it to the front and hold her for a hot minute. That way she says, girl. But I need the rest of the lace as well. You know. Oh, this is hard. This is hard to say goodbye. Da-da-da, so hard to say goodbye. Na-na-na. I'm a terrible singer, honestly. Shouldn't be allowed to sing anywhere. So I'm just trying to lay that flat. Is it working? I don't know. We're gonna see in a few minutes. So I feel like this looks fine. Like if I brush it out, it looks fine. But I do feel like I don't want to do a middle part today. So I feel like I want to do something casual and boho and I don't know, you know, casual. So I'm gonna do 2 braids and put them to the back. Hopefully that looks fine. But as you can see, my wig. As you can see, my wig is laid. Girl, she is laid and slayed. Like, honestly. Okay, so that I pulled a bit too hard. But look at that. Like, that glue is everything. I highly recommend it. Hopefully it doesn't take out my edges, but I don't think it will, as long as you're careful. Let's just style this because she's looking a bit wild. So I'm just gonna brush my hair. Then I'm gonna start on this side. I think I'm gonna leave some hairs at the front. That way it looks a bit boho, kinda chic, kinda not trying too hard, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna leave that amount of hair. This will be my leave out, so I'm gonna just tie that with a hair tie and quickly braid the rest because I don't want to pick up this hair. So basically, hopefully I don't pick up the hair. I'm gonna brush this out and start braiding from the crown very loosely. That color combination, pink and black, looks so good in my opinion. Where's my hair stuff? So I'm gonna take a tiny black rubber band and tie off the ends of the hair. That way it doesn't come undone because it's quite soft hair. So maybe rice is enough. Look at that, it's so cute. I could even leave it like that, but I'm gonna hold them. So now to the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing. That is it for this wig. I love the fact that it's a bob, it's pink, it's different for me, and I'm really excited to try new looks with this and see where the trajectory of life takes us. If you do think I slayed this wig, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the color, let me know what you think of the wig and everything. I just want to hear from you guys, and that's it from me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Thumbs up the video. Make sure you subscribe, that way you join the growing Fashion Wizardry family. We would love to have you here as a part of us, and if you're subscribed, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Woo!